How to change your delivery address on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change your delivery address or your delivery details on Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your shipping or your delivery address on Amazon, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is first go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping app. Make sure to sign into your account. Tap on the little profile tab which is at the bottom of the screen, and here go to the option called your account. Once you go to your account, over here you'll see all these options, but you want to actually scroll down and find the option called your addresses. So it could be under this account settings. You can see your addresses over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on your addresses, you can see I have added two addresses. The one which is set to your primary address or your default address. So this is a default address. This is actually your delivery address because it says personal address. Now you can add a new pickup location if you want to, or you can add a new address if you want to, but to change it you just can tap on the edit button over here. If you want to make any changes, just go ahead and tap on it and tap on the save changes at the bottom. If you'd like to edit another one, just tap on the edit button. If you want to remove either of these, tap on the remove option to do so. It'll ask you for a confirmation, and then you have to tap on the set as default option. And that's all it takes to change your delivery address on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.